Guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. So I'm gonna work out and probably shower. What, guys? Oh wait, you do your out. Hi guys. No, you are them. No, pinapin mo. Ha? Pew pew pew. Pew 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 pew. Hello. We kind of got it situated, kind of. No, what are you doing? I don't know if you can hear me earlier, but if you could, wow. So we're doing a little dul. Dog, Miss Ma'am. So meet Dul. Okay, thank you, Dul. That was amazing. I'm gonna finish this top. I have not finished it. Dul. Baby, no! Oh, I'm gonna cry. Okay. Dul! Mommy's not gonna take that off until you behave. It's called discipline, y'all. Discipline. No, Biz! She's... Well, that was something, right? So everyone meet Dul. She's here for a few days. She's been here for the past few days. She's going to be leaving on the 28th, which is so sad. So, yeah. Hey. Yep, same. So anyways, we're gonna finish top that I've been working on for like the past month. Dul. I'm just going to finish this. Dul. Okay. Well, that's happening. Oh, yep, there she. Yep. Amazing. So I've been working on this top for a few month. I think it's been a month. Yeah, I've been working on this top. I really don't have anything else to say to this top, but so hard to be your mom. God. And I don't know where I got the piece from. called? I haven't been as active. Dol. I haven't been as active as I should be on YouTube. Dol. Here. I don't know how my brain comes up with all of these stuff. I honestly don't. Like, how did I, like, oh, they're the same. Okay. Oh, I am done with modules. That's a first, right? I've been very focused with school, myself, and I have a business with my friends, and we've just been like trying to see how things go and stuff. Because 2021 is coming, and since 2021 is coming, I want to manifest with you guys what we want to attract next year, you know. Just good grades. That's obviously something that I always work for and strive for, but I just, you know, better grades won't hurt. I just love making my mom proud of me academically. I know she isn't, but yeah, she's already proud of me, but I just like, want to do more for her, more in the sense of academic, just because it's more fun that way. My dog is awfully quiet. If I really can't do anything well, I might as well just like, do something good academically. It's something, they can say, oh, she's smart, at least she's smart. I don't know. Oh, for the business, I hope that we do well next year, that we get more recognition, because we're trying to, will turn out, I don't think. What are the things you guys want to manifest for next year? Oh, also, a COVID-free year next year would be amazing. This project has been like stuck under my clothing rack for like so long, just because I haven't had time to do it, and I feel really bad. No, that's mommy's shoe.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Whack hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. Bitch, you better hope I never run across your man.
Hey, no. Oh, no.